again, and welcome back to my channel. Today's short video stems from the question I've been asked many times since setting up my YouTube channel, along the lines of how do you manage to insert generic woodworking type question type thing when you can only use one arm. Now the generic answer often is clamps and a little bit of ingenuity, and I put out a video recently about just using a wheelbarrow. I had a load of wood to shift, but just using a wheelbarrow with one arm, and a dead simple quick fix I've done for that. Today's is a little bit more slightly woodworking specific in regards to changing the cutting blade on my Evolution table saw. Now if you have one of these, you'll know exactly what you need to do, and you will also know that it requires two hands to do it, because you have two of these that come supplied, and one has to secure the arbor in place going that way, whilst the other one attaches to the nut and loosens the nut that way. So how do we do it? Okay, so that's what today's video is about. I just thought every now and then I might put one of these little videos out there, because A, if you happen to be a one-handed woodworker, these kind of things might come in handy. B, if you've maybe broken your arm, or temporarily lost use of your arm, it might come in handy. Or C, you might just be a little bit interested on how I kind of think out of the box every now and then and try and do everyday woodworking tasks a slightly different way. Just before we cut to the video, and I never do this, but I was looking at the analytics side of things on my YouTube channel, and I've noticed that only just over 20% of my videos are watched by my subscribers, which means 78% of the videos watched are by people who just find my channel somehow. So if you are one of those folk and you're dipping in and you like a little bit of one-handed woodworking or making type stuff, or a bit of resin here and there, the odd tool review, then maybe you might want to consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, it's just something you might want to do. Anyway, take care, and I'll see you soon. Okay. Just stick them down there. Alright. Nice one, thanks a lot.